Okay, my friends, here we have a drain pump for a Sub-Zero UC-15 ice maker. And problem is it got stuck on, kept pumping out, and the machine shut down. And these two wires here that come out of the pump send a signal up to the control board, so that if the pump is on, it shuts the machine down. And so what happens is it got stuck, and the machine never came back on. So I took the pump out, I put another pump in there, but I just want to take this apart and show you how to take it apart and clean it and rebuild it if you have to. So you have to remove these little clips. They go on here like this. Put it on there like that, and then you snap down all the way around. So I already had taken them off. And there's a seal on here too, so see, that's how it goes on. You put the bottom piece on first, like this. Get it underneath that little ridge there. And that's how it goes on. And to take them off, just underneath. Let me see, I can't see here. You just have to pop them off like that. Okay, now once you get all those clips off, pull the pump out. You see the seal there, and you can see all the sediment in there. You can clean this out. And also, this is a float. When the water builds up, this float comes up and it creates a connection inside. There's another solid state part in there. You can take off this cover here to see it, but it's not important. So my guess is that some of this sediment got caught in the float assembly and it didn't go up, so the pump just ran all the time. When I got to the service call on the house, the pump was on and the machine was warm inside. So if you look at this, you'll see how distorted and bent this plastic is, because it got overheated and it melted. So this pump still works, still working, but whether or not it's working efficiently, because it's not making contact, and I'm not sure, but I doubt it if you can just buy this piece and put a new piece on there. So this whole thing is not good. But for sake of understanding how these pumps work, that's how you do it. So you clean it up, put it back together, put the seal back on like this. Fits right into those grooves like that. And then put your cover on here, and you can see all that sediment in there. That's pretty dirty. So we're going to clean this up. We're going to put it back together, but we're not going to be able to use this pump again because, like I said, it's damaged. Okay, that's basically how we take it apart. Okay, so we cleaned this cover off, the reservoir here, with a wire brush. Got all the sediment out of there and all the scaling, and put the seal back on. I think it's easier to put this on this way as opposed to trying to get that seal on top of here. We put that back on like that. Make sure the seal is on. Then you start putting your clips back on. And just slide them into there and push like that. Just go all the way around until they're all in. Now, by the way, these pumps are not bolted in. If you notice this, there's adhesive, sticky stuff, and it just sticks down to the bottom of the ice machine on the platform, and there's a couple of foam blocks that keep it from shifting around. So but it's not bolted in. So if you run into one of these and you want to get it out, you're going to have to get a screwdriver underneath and pry it up. That's how to get it out. And by the way, this machine, this pump, is not made by Sub-Zero. It's made by a company called Beckett. And I'm going to show you the label on here so that if you need to get another one of these pumps and you can't get it from Sub-Zero, then you can get it online. I believe, I'm not sure, I think I bought one of these online once before and it was a lot cheaper. Alright, so here all the clips are in. Here's the label. Here's the Beckett Corporation. Here's the part number. Alright, and so when you put this back in, it goes in this way. Of course, you plug in your harness and you hook up your 2 wires. This is for your sensor that goes into your computer board. And your drain from your bin in your ice machine goes into here. This is the outlet port. It says here, discharge. It says inlet, and then this is just the vent that allows atmospheric pressure to build up inside the reservoir so it doesn't create a vacuum and affect the drain. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.